Redmi has launched its new affordable 5G phone in China called Redmi 17 5G. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 17 5G features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UNISOC 8300 chipset paired with Mali G57 and C2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 17 5G sports a 13-megapixel main camera on the rear, and for selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,300 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.47 by 8.15mm, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 17 5G has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 999 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in mist white, rock black, and mist blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 17 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.